potential is expected to diminish towards or a little after midnight, although showers and storms will continue in some areas overnight. Flooding. There is a risk for flash flooding this evening into some of the overnight hours. The highest potential for heavy rain that could lead to flooding will be across central Oklahoma, including the Ark Metro, up into northeast parts of the state. Days 2 through 7, Monday through Saturday, thunderstorms. Severe storms will be possible across much of Oklahoma and western North Texas Tuesday into early Wednesday. All modes of severe weather are possible, particularly in northwestern Oklahoma. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will be needed late this afternoon and evening, and again late Tuesday. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 517, effective until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Oklahoma: Canadian, Cleveland, Grady, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, McLean, Oklahoma, Payne, and Pottawatomie. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.